Welcome to Altair FluxMotor 2026. This release introduces significant enhancements in user experience, along with new capabilities in thermal modeling and integration. Let's explore what's new. FluxMotor 2026 features a completely redesigned user interface. The new Supervisor provides intelligent entry points such as New for creating motors from default topologies, Edit for opening a motor quickly without going to Motor Catalog application, App for launching satellite applications, which are all redesigned with new UIs in this version. Finally, you can find in Connect the integration of FluxMotor with external software. We've added flexible theming. Switch between dark and light modes with a single click. This reduces eye strain during extended design sessions. In Motor Factory, we've homogenized the design and test environments. Large color blocks and oversized icon-based menus that made the interface feel heavy have been removed and replaced with lighter elements, making the UI more refined than ever. The updated icon set, along with new visual effects triggered by mouse actions, further enhances clarity and responsiveness. The Machine 3D view is now available in the Design area, Test area, and Export area. All machine types are supported with interactive graphic functions. Visualize your designs in 3 dimensions instantly for clearer geometry comprehension and a more intuitive overall experience. Another feature leveraging the user experience is the Simulation Runtime Estimation Bar. FluxMotor 2026 introduces shaft cooling technology for all inner-rotor machines. Hollow shaft and ring configuration are supported. This technology works across all inner-rotor machine types. The impact of this cooling method on thermal performance of electric machines is significant and can be evaluated by thermal tests. The test uses the Altair Flow Simulator in the backend for accurate thermal analysis. Export the thermal model in Flow Simulator to perform more advanced studies. For the first time, FluxMotor offers detailed thermal analysis for Wound Field Synchronous Machines, expanding its simulation capabilities significantly. Advanced external and internal cooling design contexts. 2 new thermal tests, steady state and transient, and 2 direct exports to Flow Simulator for validation of the lumped parameter network. FluxMotor expands its connection to the external world by adding Siemens SimCenter AIMSIM export, further strengthening its system integration capabilities. For lookup table types for SMPM machines are now available, enabling more comprehensive and accurate system-level mechatronic simulations. With the ongoing migration of Flux into SimLab, from this version, we provide direct export to SimLab. Export any machine type in 2D and in 3D. Just select SimLab as export format, and then your SimLab projects are fully defined with auto-configured materials and boundary conditions. From this version, we add the inner salient pole geometries in SimLab. Adding more bars to this type of part is effortless now. FluxMotor 2026. Transforming electric machine design.